In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Binance verification failed issues. Now, if you've been having trouble getting your Binance account verified, you're not alone. This is a common hurdle, but with a few easy steps, you can have your account up and running smoothly. Firstly, the most common reason for verification issues on Binance is incorrect or incomplete information. It's crucial to ensure that all the details you provide match exactly with those on your official documents. Begin by double-checking the basics: your name, date of birth, and address. Ensure they are entered correctly and without any spelling errors, as even a small typo can cause problems. Next, let's talk about your identification documents. You need to upload a clear and valid form of ID. This could be a passport, a driver's license, or a national ID card. Make sure the document is not expired and that the photo is sharp and readable. Often, verification fails because the submitted images are blurry or parts of the document are cut out. Retake the photo in good lighting, ensuring it fits entirely within the frame and is easy to read. If you're using a smartphone to take photos of your ID, remember to clean your camera lens for the clearest possible shot. You might also consider using a scanner if you're having persistent issues capturing a quality image. It's best to upload in PDF, JPG, or PNG format, as these are commonly accepted by the system. Now, let's move on to the selfie verification step, which often trips users up. Here, you need to take a selfie that meets Binance specifications. The photo should be a clear and close-up image of your face. Remove any hats or glasses, and ensure your face is well lit and not obscured by shadows or reflections. Tip: use a neutral background and avoid selfies taken outdoors with uneven lighting. Once your documents and photos are ready, try to submit them again. If verification fails this time, check to make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Slow or unstable connections can sometimes cause uploads to go awry. In the event that verification is still not successful, it may be time to reach out to Binance support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the issues you're encountering and be ready to verify your identity through additional security checks. The support team can often provide more tailored guidance or manually assist with the verification process if system errors are at play. Finally, remember that patience is key. It might take some time for Binance to process your verification, especially during peak times. Keep an eye on your email for their response and any further instructions. I hope these tips help you resolve the Binance verification issues. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with getting your account verified.